In this video I will give you some toppings ideas. Hello everybody, welcome to Fabulous Pizza. I will make my pizza quickly, and while I cook it, I will tell you something about the toppings I will put on top of it. It's going to be a pizza bianca, so I will touch the surface with my wet hands. This is to avoid some parts of the surface to pump and to burn. Here is my fresh mozzarella. And now I'll cook it. Okay, what kind of toppings did I put on top of it? First of all, you probably recognize some simple ham. Actually, they were ham trimmings. If you go to your butcher, pretty sure he will give it to you with a discount, because it's not like the premium cut anymore. Then I put some potato, let's say petals, like this. I put them on cold water last night, so they became all curved like this. And of course I had to cook them for probably 5-6 minutes beforehand, because it takes 4 minutes for my pizza to be fully cooked, and the potatoes will still be a little bit late. Finally, I got here some, I'll get to it, onion rings, let's say. They are marinated onions. Somebody told me I should say pickled onions. By the way, still I made them last night, so you need to do some preparation beforehand. You put them in a container with a bit of olive oil, a drop of vinegar, salt and pepper, and you leave them there overnight. They become, as you can probably get another one, they become nice and soft, even though they are raw, and they are still sweet because these are red onions, and they are a little bit tangy. There is the acidic touch of the vinegar, which will be useful to wash away your mouth. Let me check my pizza. Here we are. Here is my pizza, nice and fragrant. Can you see it? Yes. I will show it to you a little bit closer, although you will see it very soon on my Instagram account. Now it's time for me to cut it and eat it. See you next time on Fabulous Pizza. Ciao.